Here we are, Doug and I, on another adventure. We're gonna get our swarm here from Jerry. You like that idea?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Let's see how this goes.
Good luck.
This is the image Jerry sent us of the hive in the tree. So we got the majority of them, and some that kind of flew away have come back onto the limb. So in a minute, we'll pull the top off of our bee bucket here. We'll knock these to the bottom and we'll let those join them. Behind me is the bucket on top of the ladder. This one Doug made up actually has a hole in the top that the bees can crawl in and can't get back out. And they know their queen's in there, so guess where they're going? We're gonna get the last couple hundred of them and then head back to our place. Time to deliver the swarm to its new home. All right, our swarm is here back to our apiary. We got some bees in here. I'm gonna get them to the bottom of the bucket. Ooh, I think I should have taken a frame out. There's a lot of bees right there.
Yes,
Will
sir.
they go down inside?
Yeah, they're going down inside right now.
There's still some more in the bucket. Look at them, just like they're melting away. They're melting away down in there. They're like, holy shit, we got a new home. Holy moly. There's still a few in here. Sorry, guys. Wow.
Just turn that bucket on the side and leave it.
There's only.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's just get some of these over into here. Come on, boys and girls, this is your new home. You do this right, it's kind of like pouring butter over. Not like a cold beer after a successful swarm gathering.
Yes, unless it's 2 beers.
Oh, there you go. Okay. If you're enjoying these beekeeping tips from Red's Garden, hit that subscribe button.